Are you tired of guessing who opened your emails? Imagine knowing exactly when your email is viewed. With our email tracking tool, get instant notifications the moment your recipient opens your email. Toggle tracking on or off effortlessly, straight from your Gmail Compose window. Find out exactly where and how your email was viewed, including the recipient's location and device type. Boost your response rate by sending follow-up emails only to those who opened your last message. Organize all tracked emails in a simple list to know exactly who to follow up with next. Best of all, enjoy these powerful tools for free, forever with Streak. In this video, you'll discover how to use email tracking to improve your outreach. Learn to enable tracking, create useful filters, update your leads, and streamline your email management. Don't miss out on smarter email tracking. Start tracking your emails today to follow up at the perfect moment. Check out the link below to learn more and supercharge your email game.